Hey folks, it's that time of year, trying to reason with hurricane season. We're going to take a look at some of those emergency food kits you get, and we're going to give you some alternate ideas that might save you some money. So stand by. Okay, here we go. You see what we have here. 72-hour emergency food supply. It says right here on the box. Don't know if you can see that. We'll put it up there close. 72-hour, one person, 3 servings per day. All right, let's see what we got in here. I'll find a way to open this thing up here. Here we go. All right. I covered up the name on the box because I really don't want to talk bad about anybody. So let's get into this. We have Whey Milk. 14 servings of whey milk, total of 8.4 ounces. We have brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal. 4 servings, we got 9.3 ounces, a little over 2 ounces there in each serving. We have another cereal, apple cinnamon cereal. Same quantity, 9.3 ounces, 4 servings. A little over 2 ounces per serving. We have creamy vegetable pasta, rotini with garden vegetables and creamy sauce. 4 servings, 7.2 ounces in the bag. That's less than 2 ounces per serving. Next, we have Southwest beans and rice. Southwestern style rice and beans with savory tomato sauce, 4 servings. We have 7 ounces in the bag, another less than 2 ounces per serving. And the last, we have chicken flavored noodles, 4 servings, 7 ounces. Hearty chicken flavored soup with noodles, carrots, and celery. All right, another one that's less than 2 ounces per serving. I don't know about you guys, but I couldn't survive on that. I mean, it's not a lot of food. You're not getting, you eat 2 ounces of food in a serving, you're going to be hungry within an hour. Hell, you might be hungry before you get finished. You don't know. But this box, you buy them on the internet. Several companies sell them. They're all pretty much the same. They either have rice or noodles or, some of them have macaroni, potato soup, stuff like that. But nothing really hearty. Everything there is quick and easy to fix, but it's not going to stick with you. So that's $40 for that box. Let's take $40 and go shop on our own and see what we find. How about that? Okay, I took $40 to Wally World. Wanted to put together a good 3-day menu for 2 people. Not just 1, 2. Let's see what I come up with. Breakfast, instant oatmeal. These things last practically forever. I have some of these in storage. They've been there for 8 to 10 years. Pull one out every now and then. Try it out. It's great. Just like the day I bought it. There's your breakfast. For lunch, good old faithful ramen noodles. These, I guarantee you, are going to last as long as the stuff in that emergency food pack. These things are indestructible. They hold a flavor a long time. All you got to do is keep them stored in a good dry place. That's breakfast and lunch. Let's go to dinner. First dinner I put together. Easy. It's all in one can. Diddy Moore beef stew. Got your potatoes, got your carrots, got your meat, real meat, and a good savory gravy, and it tastes great. Second dinner, chicken. White chicken breast in a can. And we have some Knorr creamy chicken flavored rice. Put this at 2 cups of water. Boil you up 2 cups of water, put this in. Mix this up after this is really seasoned well. Bingo, you got something that'll stick to your ribs right there. Third dinner, Italian flavored noodles with canned ham. This is one of the items that'll last forever, just like those ramen noodles. You buy this today, put it in your pantry, open it up in 20 years, it tastes exactly the same. Here we go again, 2 cups of water. Stir it up, boil it, get them soft, cut your ham up, put it in there. You got another good hearty meal with real meat in it. It's going to stick to your ribs. 3 breakfasts, 3 lunches, 3 dinners, plus a snack bar, granola bars. We got sweet and salty. So if you want something sweet, you got it. If you want something savory, here we go. Got some salt in it. Knock that itch out of that appetite. This right here will feed 2 people for 3 days. The other was 1 person for 3 days. The cost of the emergency food, $40. Cost of this, grand total, $24.16. And that included a pack of water with 40 bottles in it. You got to have that water to make your food just in case, the water goes out. It's all right here. You saved money. If you want to bump it up to that $40 mark, add you some instant coffee in here, some tea. Get you some tea bags, put them in a Mylar bag. Put some moisture absorbers in there, seal it up. It's going to be good for 5 to 6 years easy. Get you some little packets of flavoring for your water. Grape, cherry, whatever. Mix that up a little bit so you're not bored to death. Now we're going to get to the main point of this long-term compact. 20 years, they say. Hope I ain't eating that in 20 years. These right here, like I've told you when I covered each one of these, they last long-term. Let's pack them up. Let's see what happens if we pack them up. So we're going to take a Sterilite container. I'm going to put our ramen noodles in there. We're going to put our oats in there. Our granola bars, our canned goods, and our rice and noodles. Bingo. Look at that. Take that case of water that you bought, this box of food, put it in the closet. Slide it under a bed. It's there. It's good. In 5 years, everything in here will be good. It's not going to last 20 years. 5 years. But here in Florida, we rotate these things out. You buy some foods like this. Next year, you eat them. You replenish this. But like I said, there's some long-term stuff in there if you want to put it in your supply that you have for 10 years down the road. Those ramen noodles, that canned ham, going to be great forever. All right, we got that menu knocked out. Now you got to learn what you have to cook it. So my next video, I'm going to show you that. I'm also going to show you a little power bank that I put together. It's a lot cheaper than what you can go out and buy, and it's a lot better. So stay tuned for that. Now, with that, we're going to say, stay strong. Practice the principles our country was founded on. Pray for the victims in Ukraine, and pray for our country. God bless America. Orlando Prepper is